Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we were in Mola the other day and we were talking with our new friend Maria Antonietta, and she is lovely. We were talking about so many different things about life in Mola because she's lived there for a very long time. And she said, have you noticed the chairs? And I said, yeah, what's with the chairs? You know, you walk down the via and there's 3 or 4 chairs out in front. Some might have like a fig and an onion on them, or a fava bean, or like one piece of fruit or something like that. And I was like, I know they sell it, but what is that? And she said, what happens is that is a farmer who lives there, and they're letting you know what they have. So you can go in their house and knock on the door and go in their house and you can buy whatever you see on the chairs. And I said, I feel so stupid. I thought it was just one onion and I always need more than one. And she started laughing. She goes, no, they have more in the back. But anyway, that's the story of the chairs. Now the chairs are really important because you can tell the changing of the seasons like a calendar. This is another thing she said. You can tell when it's wintertime because the winter produce starts to come out, and in the spring produce starts to come out. So you have not only the opportunity to buy fresh produce directly from the farm, but you also have a really cool little calendar where you can see the changing seasons in Mola di Bari, and it's very specific to Mola di Bari. It's a beautiful, charming little tradition, and I just love it, and I love the story behind it. So thank you, Maria Antonietta, for bringing that to our attention and handling the mystery of the one onion. See you guys.